Have you ever stopped to consider the sheer prevalence of diabetes in our modern world? It's a silent epidemic, subtly yet powerfully impacting the health of millions globally. Today, we delve into the world of diabetes, exploring its intricacies and providing a beacon of hope through the power of diet. Diabetes. It's a term we hear often, but what does it truly mean? In its simplest form, it's a chronic disease that affects how your body turns food into energy. Most of the food you eat is broken down into sugar, or glucose, and released into your bloodstream. When your blood sugar goes up, it signals your pancreas and organ to release insulin. Insulin is a hormone that acts like a key, letting the sugar into your body's cells for use as energy. But in diabetes, this system doesn't work as it should. There are two main types of diabetes, Type 1 and Type 2. In Type 1 diabetes, your body's defense system, the immune system, makes a mistake and attacks the part of your body that makes insulin, which is called the pancreas. This type is usually diagnosed in children and young adults. Type 2 diabetes, the more common type, is a condition where your body has trouble using sugar properly, and your body becomes resistant to insulin. The effects of diabetes on the body are far-reaching. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels, leading to heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, and other health problems. It can also lead to nerve damage and poor blood flow, which can result in serious foot problems. So it sounds grim, but there's a silver lining. One major aspect of diabetes prevention lies within our control: diet. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in preventing or managing diabetes. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods that are low in sugar and unhealthy fats, but high in fiber, can help manage blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. First on our list is whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread or pasta can help reduce the risk of diabetes and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Second, leafy greens. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients like magnesium and vitamin A, which can help reduce the risk of Type 2 diabetes. Third, fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and lower blood sugar levels. Fourth, berries are a diabetes superfood. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They can satisfy a sweet tooth without causing a blood sugar spike. Fifth, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are high in fiber and healthy fats, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. In conclusion, diabetes is a complex disease with far-reaching health implications, but it's not all doom and gloom. The power of diet in diabetes prevention is substantial. Whole grains, leafy greens, fatty fish, berries, and nuts and seeds are all powerful allies in the fight against this disease. So remember, the food choices you make today can shape your health outcomes tomorrow.